Can YouTube really replace your job in 2025? Because what's happening right now is not a prediction. It's a revolution. The rise of faceless automation is transforming how we work, earn, and even think about income. Automation isn't coming. It's already here. AI-powered YouTube channels are now generating thousands, sometimes millions of views, all without a single face on screen. No actors, no fancy cameras, no editing skills, just a smart system and the right strategy. This shift means that literally anyone, yes, even you watching this, can build a YouTube channel and monetize it without ever showing your face. Thanks to AI tools, you can now automate script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnails, posting schedule. The game has changed, and the best part, you don't need to start from scratch. There's already a proven roadmap that thousands of creators are using to escape the 9-to-5. It's called Tube Mastery Monetization. Created by Matt Parr, this program shows you step-by-step how to build, grow, and profit from faceless YouTube channels, using real strategies that work in 2025. Not just theory, but systems that generate income even while you sleep. Many creators using this exact system are seeing 4-figure and 5-figure monthly incomes, even without previous experience. They didn't have to be famous. They didn't need luck. They just needed the blueprint and the willingness to act. So the real question is no longer, can YouTube replace your job? It's, are you ready to replace your job with YouTube? If the answer is yes, then don't waste another scroll. Click the link in the description to access the free training for Tube Mastery and Monetization. Learn how the new wave of creators is building wealth through automation. Faceless, fearless, and free. The future doesn't belong to the loudest voice. It belongs to the smartest creator. This is your sign. Start now.